Module 10, adding calendar to navigation. Another free lesson to help you become a better coder. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Your continued support helps make these videos possible. And as always, I thank you all for watching this video. In this video, we are going to import our calendar that we created earlier to this project. We're going to attach this calendar to the main navigation and make it a landing page. All right, so let's go coding. All right, let's get back to our project. Yeah, good morning. It's 5 a.m. Don't forget the first thing first is a coffee, black coffee. All right, let's go to our folder and project management. We're going to make a copy of this latest module. Let's make a copy of module 9. You know what? I've been misspell all this name. It should have been you. I didn't realize. That's what happened when you yeah. Look at that. A misspell. I did not even realize it. Oh my God, Jack, what happened? Module, not module. Okay, but that's alright. You know what I'm talking about. No picky, not technical stuff. Module 10. We're gonna make module 10. Let's make a calendar. Alright. Yeah, let's make a calendar. Let's spread out the calendar. That seems to be the easiest one. Obviously, we already have a calendar in here. We just put it in. Calendar. All right. That will be our landing page, by the way. I'm thinking, as always. Let me see if we have, yeah, right there. Calendar. Yeah, right there. I did a test right here because one of the followers did a suggestion, and yeah, we're gonna stick with ours, okay? Anyways, let's pop in there and take a look. Okay. All right. Yeah, let's do the calendar. Let's do the calendar. You notice it looks different. Do you know why it looks different? This is 2021. This is 2021. Let me see. So what happened was I kept getting this message. It's like it's pirated, you know, and all that because it was not registered. You see, but you've been seeing that when I create one. But so what happened was I went to just so you know, I went to shop on the Amazon, and yeah, see this Chinese guy. So I bought this guy. I think it was 79 bucks. You know, gotta test it out, I guess, somehow. See if it works, right? So let me see, trying to get the, yeah, let's try to get the, when was this? When did this arrive? Yeah, right, this guy. Let's see how much it is. $76 right there. $76 for like I said, 2021 version. All right. So anyways, I asked for 2016, but the code didn't work. yeah, 2016, but the code didn't work. It said this code right here is for this code right there is for 2021. So I went ahead and updated. Let me close that down. So I went ahead and updated, and let me show you. I went ahead and signed in with mine, and it says product activated for 2021. How about that? How about that? So it's got a different look. What happened to my ribbons? Huh? I'm gonna have to you and I are gonna have to learn how to navigate through this new new stuff here. All right, but that's all right. We just click on this. I think oh, there you go. So you have to click on this guy to see the ribbon. Ah, well, that's dandy. That gives us more room to play with. That's good. Anyways, all right, let's get back to our program. But it looks different too, doesn't it? It does look a little different. Yeah. Anyways, let's go to our yeah. Well, let's yeah. You and I are gonna work this thing together. Let's go to our calendar. We are going to import in the calendar. Let's go to C drive and right there. And let's see what we can find. Yeah, we need to import first name. First off, we gotta have the month name. That's a drop down list, by the way, and the form calendar, and the module. Oh, we got color. That's it. That's all we need. Oh, that's simple enough. All right, I noticed we're gonna modify some certain things here. We're gonna trim down the displayed calendar. All right, so if you've been following me, you've been doing good. Right there. See that we got that? Let's take a look. Look at that. It's got a bluish color. We need to double check on all color because we want to make sure that the color matches. All right. So let's go to the. All right. Now we are looking for the code. So if you go form, oh, okay, there you go. So it's got different look, but it's more modern, I guess. So what I want to do here, I just realized that this is redundant right here as I've been looking at it. All right. So what needs to happen here? Instead of work funds, I think we can just take this Sunday out. Let's see how that works, right? I think it needs to, yeah. Let's do that. I'm gonna take that out. This is a modification because it's going to iterate through this guy. So there's probably no need to do that. I just realized that. You see there? We just trim everything down instead of looking for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. We just streamline this guy, and hopefully that will work. Hopefully that will work. All right. So we'll find out, won't we? But before we do that, we want to double check, make sure we got this color right. I think it's light blue. Okay, good. All right. As a matter of fact, instead of do that, we just do run this debug here. It should find errors for us. No errors. Good. Very excellent. So that's that. That's all I wanted to do right there in that display calendar. You see there? Now we got a really shorter, nice and short code here. All right. So as I was looking, why did I? All right. I got a timer going on there. Wake up call. Okay, good. Thank you. Thank you for waking up. Um. So yeah, as I was looking at it, and I said, why do I need to find out, if the control is Sunday and Monday, right? So we'll see how that works. Obviously, this is the first day. All right, and we are going to go through the control. So it will begin from the earliest control that we created, and hopefully that was the button control. All right, remember these controls right here. If you create this guy first, it's going to iterate to that one first, beginning from that one. All right, if you created this one second, that becomes the second iteration. All right, so that is very important when I tell you that that the controls matters. All right, so when you look at the code, all right, when you look at the code here, it says for each control in controls, meaning if you create this control first, that will be first control that will be read through the loop. And if that's the second control, the label, that will be read next, and that will be read second. All right, it depends on which one you created first. All right, it's in order. Now that is different than this. All right, so this index right here, that's different. All right, see there, that's different. Okay, I mean, this is where this calendar is useful, is that it reads one by one. See there, 5, 6, but this index is not corresponding. If you change this, it doesn't matter. It's still going to read that in order as it was added to the form. All right, just keep in mind. So um, just to show you, all right, just to show you, we are going to we're going to add a yeah, we're going to add a there are not that many controls, only 30 or so controls. Let me see how many controls. I want to show you. We can just go through these controls together. Yeah, we can go through this control. There's only 1, 2, 3. This box right here has 3 controls. You see there, the label, another label, another, and oops, my bad, and the button control. So the 3 controls that in that little thing there. All right, let me show you. Yeah, we can just loop through. All right, because this is a thing when you design this, you got to know what's going on. All right, you can't just So I'm going to show you that the first control may or may not be the buttons that we will look for. All right, and that's why we're looking for this button. Okay, all right, this button. As a matter of fact, we can just, we're not interested in the labels. We're interested in the command. We want to make sure that I'm trying to explain to you because a couple of you guys had a little issue with this. All right, so I'm going to save that and let's run that. Yeah, okay, view. Okay, all right. So see the first control, it's not even the date button. It's a previous, you see that is a previous month button. So now it's going to jump to here, if I'm not mistaken. Next month, there you go. That's what I thought. All right. So that's why we have to make sure that we are looking for, these name control there. So now once we know the buttons are in there, we want to make sure that this guy is less than the number of day. All right, number of day will be the last day. Okay, and then we gotta validate if it's Monday, Tuesday, and so forth. All right, so let's go. See that now it begins first. That's why it's real crucial that you create this button first. All right, or label in order, meaning Sunday 1, Monday 1, Tuesday 1, Wednesday 1. All right, so watch. See there? See there? So it's going to look for that first day. Where's the first day in May? It's already highlighted. You see how it's highlighted in blue? That is already highlighted for you. See there? It already knows. So it says, okay, this grayish background is defaulted. All right. Anytime we clear, we make this guy clear, gray, and then we're just going to highlight all the days. You see there? See there? That's a Saturday. Now the next one is Saturday, so it's gonna color this guy green. See there? And it moves on. So this is where I was talking about. It's real important. It's very important. All right, that you make these buttons and label. Well, its label is not as important as this guy. This 1, 2, 3 here. They've got to be in order. All right, they've got to be in order. If they're not in order, we're messed up. It's gonna lay out everywhere. All right. So that's the end. See, it keeps going to the first again. All right. All right. There you go. We're done. So that's how that works. You see how we highlighted the first and the current day and the last day. You see there? Is it a bluish? Okay. You know what? Let me go back to this comment. Because I mean, my goal is to help you all right? My goal is to help you. Make sure that you really know what you know. Yeah, make sure you know. This guy right here, I think the problem is that Access thinks the first day is Saturday for some reason. That's not true. Okay, that's not true. Let me go to that comment. What if? So I mean, yeah, Lao, Lao, where are you? I think the problem. Oh, you're here. I think the first problem is that Access thinks the first day of the week is Saturday for some reason. That's not true. All right, that's not true, because it and I think I added reply to that. Let me see. Yeah, I added a reply. You know, if you comment, you know, you have issues. This is what I do. I don't mind. All right. I have time. I will jump and answer you right away. So my response is the first day varies depending on the month. For instance, the first day in April is Friday, and Sunday is in May. You see. So no, Access does not think that first day is always Saturday. All right, because if you line this guy up, just I show you, all right, they've got to come in order. It doesn't matter how. All right, if you begin to add this control number 1 here, the button, the next one has to be this, the following one. So they've got to go in that order. All right. So that's how we read. All right. Now this code right here, okay, this code right here, the first day. All right. See how I said make sure you do that. Okay. Date serial. All right. Now before, at the earliest version, I just type in the US type date. All right. In the earliest version, I did this. For instance, I format the day like this. Let me show you. Let me show how I format the date. How did I do it? Yeah, I did this month. All right. I'm just going to show you what I did earlier, which caused a whole lot of problem. All right, so that's what I did. All right, and then you get my gist. All right. See, that's what I did earlier version. All right, and if you have been following me, comment that out. All right, that's why I did earlier version. That will work if you're in US, if you're in United States of America. That will work. But if you are in Southeast Asia, Africa, Europe, that date will not work. But what will always work is the date serial. Okay, date serial. That will work regardless of your region. All right, make sure you use that. So if you've been following my video, I made a point that from then on I would use this type of date format. Okay, so that's how that works. So this will always bring out the first day, regardless of where you're at. All right, first day of that month. Just remember that. So it doesn't always look at the Sunday. You see that? And even this, remember we stripped down this guy. I think when I did that, and was it the first day equals Sunday? I think I did that. I think I was determining where this guy was. All right. I think, and then just recently when I had more people questioning me about the calendar, so I was looking at it. You know what? That didn't even need to be in there. So you see there, that didn't even need to be in there. And now we got really small code. All right. Now I don't, yeah, this light blue. I don't see it's light blue. That looks more like a greenish. All right. So we're going to change that color right there. All right. To, why is it called light blue? I don't see blue. You see blue? We're going to change that color. Before we change the color, I want to, yeah, that doesn't look like blue. That's more like a green to me. What do you think? That looks like a green to me. Anyways, let's take a look at this man. We want to, okay, it's what, okay, all right. Okay, we're going to change all this color, all right? So, so let's do that. Let's change color there. I'm going to go back in here. Oh, by the way, I had another, just this morning when I got up, Ian wants to see if I can, let's read his,
I love my new home, but it might be.
Let's read his message here. Right there. As a matter of fact, I'll do that. I want to know if he could, I'm trying to figure out how to make tasks private to user based on login. Yeah, this is not hard. Okay, this is doable. This is doable. And then he wants to add a task. And if he marks it as yes, that means only him can see the task, along with other tasks that is marked no. Yeah, that shouldn't be a problem. All right. And my reply, like 30 minutes ago, you see that 30 minutes ago? This is a great suggestion. You know what? We're gonna add tasks to this project that we are doing. Good. Good. I like that. Yeah. Just throw at me, guys. Throw at me. That is doable. We can do it. All right. So that prompted me to do the calendar because I want the calendar to be a landing page, and after that we're gonna add login, and after that we're gonna add tasks. All right, and implement what was suggested there. Okay, so yeah, this is doable. But right now, let's change the color. That color is just, oh my gosh, color. That's a oh my gosh color. All right, this is how I change the color, by the way. I'm gonna type in HTML color code. That first one pops up. I'm gonna go to blue. That thing doesn't look like a blue, is it? That's more like a blue. Alright, I'm gonna copy this blue right here. And that's more like a blue. And then let's go to whatchamacallit right here. color. See that we got color here. Looking for blue. Ah, that doesn't look like a blue. Let's pop that guy in there. The one we just copied. Paste. Oh, it is blue. Oh, light blue. How about light blue? I think that was a light blue. Which one's light blue? That's more light blue. Yeah, light sky blue. Light sky blue. Yeah, that's light blue. Copy that. Back to our color. Right there. This dark blue should be navy, by the way. So we're gonna look for navy. Dark blue. You see there? I like navy. Let's take navy. It's the same one. Copy. And then the dark blue right there. Good. Control S, save. Close that guy out. And we're going to take this message box out. We're going to see if it's going to recolor for us. Control S. Let's go back to April. What the heck? Oh, that was this guy. We need to make that blue. I think we call it green. But that's a light blue right there, okay? So let's do a oh, right there. Right here. That's where it was. Light green, no wonder. You know what? What color would you like? Let's take a look. Let's try some other color here. I like peach. Let's try peach. Do we have peach? Light peach. Let's take a look at light peach. Save. Control S. Let's go back to March. Okay. Alright. It's really stand out with that border. We're going to leave it right there. We are going to leave it right there, mister. Alright, let's add this to our navigation. I'm going to go ahead and close. Yeah, I'm going to close all. Close all. Come on. There, close all. And then open up this navigation in to do that. Normally before you add this, and if you know where you want, all right, for example, that's the one right there, you see there. I'm going to come over here and copy that booger and change that guy to 2, because we're going to push this guy down 2 and select this guy. Three. Oh, that's oh, wait a minute. Hold your horses. Hold your horses. That would be 1. We're gonna make that guy. We're gonna make this guy 4 and moving down. 4. Yeah, you cannot, because it's you cannot make that guy a whatever the number that's already there. 3. That will be a 2. And the new one will be form calendar. This guy will be, see how easy I do that? Put a 1 in there, and you notice this tab index is 3. If I move it all the way up, it's going to become 0, I think. See that it becomes 0. Good. Let's name this guy calendar. There. Take that guy out. Good. Alright. Does it work? Well, hold on. Let's go code behind and highlight this guy as calendar, as title. So this guy right here, we're up to 4. We're going to be adding a couple more of these navigation later on. But right now, all I'm doing here is I'm going to copy this first one here. Copy. And just add to it. Like so. And this one will be, as a matter of fact, no, that's good. Because that name, because I want to make sure I don't, yeah, just like that. 6. And then this one will be calendar. That's all I need to write. Like so. Save. Good, we're done. Let's close that out. Let's pop it open. Nice. Look at that. Look at that. What is first day of June? Look at that. Nice. So so we refactor the oh, not that guy. Yeah, we refactor the display calendar, streamlined to just two segments, if else. All right, and took out a whole bunch of Sunday, Monday, and so on. All right, I think when I first did that, I was just identifying. All right, like I said, you and I working together. Okay, so whatever you see here is alive. You know, brainstorming together. So we just eliminated a whole bunch of lines here, which works out good. But that's what we do. Programmers will do that, all right? They refactor the code, make sure it's easy to read. All right, that's what we want to do. All right, the next video we are going to add login. Let's see, should we do tasks first? We can do tasks first. Yeah, we can do tasks first. This thing is real small. You know what? We're gonna make that guy a little bigger, taller. Let's do that while we're at it. All right, we're gonna make our video just a tad longer. Let's make that guy taller. What do you think? What do you think? Let me see how tall do we want. It looks prettier. I think it's taller. That's not too bad. That tall is not too bad. How about change the text to 12? Not bad at all. Not bad at all. You know what? That's what we'll do. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this height right here. 223. Copy. And now I'm going to select Shift, select, and then come over here. See the height. Paste. And keep hitting enter to size 12. There. And how about let's make our menu items here. Let me see if we can find that little dingy. We want to make this guy wider. Can we make this guy wider right here? Let's make that guy wider right there. Good. All right. That's 1.3. We can also come back to here, not control, shift, select, and look at that. Control S. All right, close that down and let's take a look. That looks better, I think. Yeah, that looks better. That looks better. So that's what we're gonna leave at, okay? That way this highlight looks better right there. That one is little, I don't know, that light green right there. We're gonna change that light green. We're gonna change that light green. We don't like that. It's a dark green. Let me see. Let's take a look. Yeah, it doesn't. It doesn't. Number 4, dark green. It's supposed to be dark green. That's not dark green. Let's go back to our here. Let's go find the green. Where's my green? Lime green, green. Right there. We want that color. Oh, light green. I see. Okay. All right. We're gonna copy that. Go to our color. Green. Let's take a look at green. Where are you, green? Green. Oh, we got green right here. That should be the same color there. Yeah, that's green. Now, light green. That looks like a light green. Alright, so I'm gonna grab that guy. Copy. Obviously, we got a bunch of green here. That's a light green. That looks right. And then we got dark green. Let's go to dark green. Dark green, right here, dark green. Copy. We got lime green. I think lime green's fine. Lime green. Okay. Alright, now let's pop back. This guy right here, dark green. It should be dark green now. I think. Let's take a look. So if we there, you see there? That looks better. Alright, that looks better. That looks like teal color there. Oh, the highlight is dark green. Didn't it highlight is dark green? Something's lime green here. Let's take a look what's going on here. Lawn green. That's why. Aha, lawn green. You see the lawn green? The selector is lawn green. You know what? Let's see what color is that? That's a blue. Lawn green. I'm thinking, what color should we do? It's kind of bluish color. Let's take a look. What color would fit? Our theme seems to be more like a bluish color. Alright. So maybe bubble blue. How about bubble blue? Yeah, let's try this. Let's try that. Let's try that. We're gonna add a color called bubble blue. Under blue here, let's add a function called bubble blue. I've never seen a bubble blue. Bubble blue. There. Alright. So now we're gonna come back over here. You see it right here? We'll call that bubble blue. And make that a black. Alright. Let's see how it looks now. Let's select this guy. Nice. See there? See, it's got black text. That's more like it. So we know that's a selector right there. We select that. Select that. That's better. You see there? See, when we select, it becomes bubble blue, and the text is black. That's better. I think that's better. Now, if you want to highlight it, that's good enough. That's good enough. Let's see. That's good enough. But anyways, that's what we came to do. We're going to add the calendar to this. And then the next one, it is either going to be a login or activity. All right. Obviously, we're going to have a whole lot more stuff in here. Okay. So right now, we've done a whole lot. By the way, look at this. We've done a whole lot. All right. From blank code line. All right. From no code lines. Now we've got a whole lot going on here. I think the next one we're going to do is the either the task or login. All right, we'll see. But I don't know about that color. Do you like that color? I don't know about that color. Is there a light gray? Do we have light gray? Lighter gray? Let's take a look. Light green, light gray. Let's try this. I want to see what that is. Yeah, that's either that or we can just, you know what? Yeah, let's take a look. Oh, no, that doesn't look good. How about white? Not too shabby. I like that. You know, we're gonna leave it like that, mister. We're gonna leave it like that, mister. Alright, anyways, that looks good. I think that looks good. We are going to yeah, just because all these are white background. Alright, I think that looks good. We're gonna leave like this. Like I said, we're gonna do either the login or the task. Alright. I want to obviously want to help Lao. Was it Lao? No, Ian. Let's take a look. To show, you know, to make tasks visible. Ian. So I want to help this guy as soon as I can. All right, but right now I can't just because I don't have the stuff to display it. All right. Anyways, close it out. That's all I have to do for now. Stay tuned. Happy programming. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit that bell. And also comment below, and if you need help, inbox me. Thanks again.